Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Trivets set on the market, the Walfos Silicone Trivet mats. If you're someone who loves to cook and wants to protect your countertops and tables from heat damage, this product might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Walfos Silicone Trivet mats come in a set of 4, featuring both round and square shapes, each measuring around 7 inches, with a thickness of just under 1/4 inch. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone, these mats are not only heat-resistant but also BPA-free, which means they are safe for everyday kitchen use. They can withstand temperatures ranging from -104 degrees Fahrenheit up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're taking a hot pot off the stove or handling dishes fresh from the microwave, these trivets will shield your surfaces effectively. One of the standout features of these trivets is their non-slip design. Thanks to the silicone material, these mats grip firmly onto countertops, tables, or any surface they are placed on, preventing pots, pans, or dishes from sliding and causing spills or accidents. This makes them practical not only as heat protectors but also as secure resting places for your hot cookware. In addition to protecting surfaces from heat, the Walfos trivets are incredibly versatile. Beyond serving as pot holders or hot pads, they function as jar openers, spoon holders, drying mats, and coasters. This multi-functionality makes them a handy kitchen gadget that goes beyond what you would expect from traditional trivets. Cleaning and maintenance are simple with these silicone mats. You can hand wash them easily, or for added convenience, just toss them in the dishwasher. The material dries quickly and is designed to catch water vapor or condensation, helping keep your kitchen tidy and free of unwanted moisture on surfaces. Another benefit is their lightweight and flexible nature. Unlike bulky metal trivets, these mats are easy to store. You can hang them on hooks or simply stack them in a drawer without taking up much space. This makes them convenient for everyday use, especially in kitchens where space is at a premium. The Walfos brand has been around since 1996, bringing over 26 years of expertise in silicone kitchenware. They emphasize producing products that meet international quality and safety standards, ensuring customers get durable and safe kitchen essentials. To sum up, the Walfos Silicone Trivet mats combine high heat resistance, safety, multifunctionality, ease of use, and convenient storage, making them the best trivet set you can add to your kitchen. Whether you're protecting your surfaces or looking for versatile kitchen helpers, these mats cover all bases. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen protection with a reliable and practical Trivets set, the Walfos Silicone Trivet mats are definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.